This is for class 11 geometric progression. Sorry. I have There are two important questions in your miscellaneous chapter. There are two important questions. One is this, and another I will do it for you. There are two important questions. So here you see that it is given that a and b are the roots of x square minus 3x plus p is equal to 0, and c and d are the roots of x square minus square x plus q is equal to 0, where a, b, c, d form a GP. Prove that q plus p is to q minus p is equal to 17 is to 50. So how to prove it? Here you see that a and b are the roots, that means a plus b is equal to minus b by a, that will be 3, and a into b, c by a, that will be p for this equation. Similarly, for this equation, your c plus d will be 12 and c into d will be your q. Now your a, b, c, d are in GP. A, B, C, D are in GP. They are in GP. So that means AR square, AR cube in GP. Here you see that A plus B is equal to 3. That means A plus AR is equal to 3. So here A is common. 1 plus R is equal to 3. Equation 1. Now next, here you see that C plus D, that is AR square plus AR cube is equal to 12. Your AR square common. 1 plus R is equal to 12. This is equation 2. Now 2 divided by 1, you are going to get AR square 1 plus R by A 1 plus R is equal to 12 by 3, cancels out. R square is equal to 4. You are getting R square is equal to 4. So here again your AB is equal to P. So B is AR. A into AR is equal to P. So A square R is equal to P. Now here CD is equal to Q. So here C is AR square into AR cube is equal to Q. So here A square R into R4 is equal to Q. Your A square R is P, and R square the whole square, that means 16, is equal to Q. So Q is equal to 16P. Now you put the values. Q plus P by Q minus P, that will be Q is your 16P plus P and 16P minus P. So this will be 17P by 15P. So this comes out to be 17 by 15. So this is true. Now the next question is, here you see a GP consists of even number of terms. If the sum of all the terms is 5 times the sum of the terms occupying the odd places, find the common ratio of the GP. A GP consists of even number of terms. That means AR square, AR cube, AR4. That means AR to the power of 2n minus 1. So here your odd places. These are the odd places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the odd places. So as odd will be a plus ar square plus ar4 plus ar to the power of 2n minus 2. This will be your odd places, and even number of terms is the sum of all the terms, and your S even, that will be ar cube, ar5, ar to the power of 2n minus 1. So now here, if you take r common, so this will be a plus ar square, ar4, ar to the power of 2n minus 2. So this becomes r times the odd. Here you see that as total, that will be sum of even plus sum of odd. So here this will be even, that is r odd, r times odd plus s odd. So 1 plus r s odd. This is s total, s total. And here it is given to you sum of the terms, even if the sum of all the terms is 5 times the sum of the terms occupying the odd places, it is given to you as total is equal to 5 times as odd. Now if we equate these two equations, this equation and this equation, we get 1 plus r is equal to 5, so r is equal to 4. This is your answer. So these two are the important questions according to me, and which is given in your miscellaneous exercise class 11 in GP. So I have done it for you.